please say, "Hey Robelf," after hearing the beep sound.
Hey, Robelf.
That's right. After waking me up, you can use the voice commands to tell me what to do. Also, you can touch my nose to open the main menu as well. If you want me to move my body, you can use the voice commands too. Now, try to ask me for a left turn. Don't forget to say, "Hey Robelf," first.
Hey, Robelf. Turn left.
Excellent. Now, ask me to turn right.
Hey, Robelf. Turn right.
The voice command is incorrect. Make me turn right.
Hey, Robelf. Turn right.
Well done. That's it. I cannot wait to start my journey here.